What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you Lux Algo Premium. If you are a trader, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, Lux Algo's got something for you. This is one of the best indicators out there. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now with Lux Algo, you're gonna get a variety of different tools to enhance your trading experience. These guys offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's really a no-brainer, and I really enjoyed it myself. The algorithm is very good. Of course, never trust only one indicator. Definitely helps with confluence in the market and all that, so that you can make more productive trades, things like that. But always do your own research. Also, never invest anything you're not willing to lose. So that's just something for you to know. But definitely check these guys out. They have a powerful alert system with optimization you guys can run. And as well as a great Discord community and great community in general that are all willing to help each other learn this incredible tool much better so that you can have more effective trading. Tons of testimonials, really been great. Just so you know, I'm just trying to get the monthly and all that stuff out of the way, the pricing. They offer monthly, quarterly, yearly. You can definitely get some savings with a yearly subscription. As well as quarterly. They also may be running coupons at certain times of the year, so look out for those. But I personally think, for a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's really a hard thing to pass up. And let's get a little bit further into it. Real quick, also, I wanted to show you, they have tons of tutorials and stuff like that you guys can look at as far as, how to be a better trader, different strategies and in-depth tutorials and things like that. There's also documents and stuff like that you can know more advanced strategies and tactics, and as well as kind of what all the different indicators mean, what they do, etc. I also have several videos on my channel as well showing the settings in more depth, so we definitely want you to check those out. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications if you'd like to see more videos from me. Definitely helps out and helps you stay informed of my next videos that drop. So without further ado, make sure again, check out the documentation, all that stuff. You can see the guide videos and as well as installation tutorials, and again, their Discord. But back to this here. So today we're looking at the Ethereum chart, and we've got different things on the board here. So the indicator that we're looking at right now is going to be under invite only once you pay for it, and it's going to be Lux Algo price action concepts, and then the signals and overlays, both premium. They also offer an oscillator. I may show that in another video. As of the moment, I'm using the free TradingView, so you can use free TradingView and it's just fine. They recently, I think, reduced it to 2 indicators at a time instead of 3, so that's kind of a bummer. But realistically, you can use it and just turn them off, turn them on, like you would, and remove them and such on your TradingView, and just use whatever you need for the time that you need it. Now, real quick, to just give you the basic bread and butter here is the buy sell indicators. Now, you'll see there's a couple different variations here. There's one that has no plus symbol, and then there's ones with plus symbols, and those basically are going to show you a high amount of confirmation and things of that nature, so that you can feel a little bit better about either doing a buy or a sell. So there's a lot more information there, so it's a stronger signal, and with that you can feel a little bit more confident. Again, always do your own research, and if you have other tools that you like to use to compare data across the board there, you're more than welcome to do so. We also have where you click on these, you can go ahead and adjust sensitivities and things like that. And so right now, currently with the market conditions, let me go back here. There is a optimal sensitivity recommendation today if you want to adjust it manually for 19. There's also signal strength here, volatility, squeeze, volume sentiment, and things like that. And that's just something for you guys to know as far as what they offer for the little dashboard there. And I'm going to adjust mine to 19, and what that's going to do is it's going to basically move the signals over just a smidge, and you can hit type that in, hit OK, and as you can see, our signals moved over. And so it's good to kind of go with the recommended optimal sensitivity. You don't have to, you really can set it and forget it pretty much, but it just gives you a little bit more data to look at, and with the algorithm in play, it kind of just gives you a little bit better accuracy, I would like to say. So that's just for you to know. Up here we've got the price action concepts, and again, there's so many different tools on here that you can use, different presets, whether you're like a scalper, a swing trader, tons of different stuff. Right now we're running confirmation plus exits mode. You can switch it to contrarian, and you'll see what that does here. Just basically will modify it depending on your trading style. And I like to use confirmation mode, so I'm going to leave mine alone. You can also adjust candle coloring, which is cool. And that is something that you can definitely do. If you want to do contrarian gradient, you can do that. And that basically adjusts these settings here. So it's really however you like to view the chart. But it definitely helps give you that data that you need to view, so that you can, make smart choices. Again, you can turn on settings like Smart Trail, which I already have on. We can turn that off, and we can switch to like Neo Cloud or something like that. There's also Trend Catcher, and then there's also reversal zones. Let me show you that. And as well as Trend Tracer. So those are just a couple different tools you can use. I like using Smart Trail. I kind of like to leave it on. And then you can do autopilot sensitivity off, or you can do it manual. Just depends on what you want. But basically, you can decide if you're more into short-term trading, mid-term, or long-term. And again, however you view the chart, it's fine. It doesn't really make too much of a difference whether you're like really zoomed in or zoomed out. There may be some tools that may be more beneficial zoomed in versus zoomed out. It's just up to your discretion, of course. But as you can see, it adjusts the signal and like where they move. And it just also gives you less signals or more signals depending on what you're using. I'm gonna leave mine to off because I want to see all the signals that I can. You can also adjust the dashboard location, so you can move that top right like I just did there. You can move it bottom left, etc. I'm gonna just leave mine kind of where it was, I think. But let me move that here. And basically, you can also adjust the size, whether it's small, tiny, normal, large, just to give you the best viewing ability for what you need. Now, there's also alert functions here, which I mentioned, like bullish confirmation, bearish confirmation, contrarian, both bullish and bearish, exits, take profit points, bullish confirmation turn plus, and then confirmation turn plus for bearish, message as JSON, and then you can also do all of these different things here and add a stop loss as well. So there's also custom alert creator here, which is pretty cool. You can signal to have any bullish confirmation, bearish, all the way down the line here. Ton of different presets, and there's also different things you can adjust for each particular setting. So whether you're using like Neo Cloud, you can adjust whether that's going to function with uptrends, downtrends, things like that. And so that's kind of what it is in a toolkit. Essentially, it's basically it's a nice comprehensive toolkit for you to get the most out of your trades and essentially give you as much data as possible to give you more confluence and just to feel a little better about making some moves. And you don't have to be a mega advanced trader to use this. It's pretty straightforward. You can pretty much set it and forget it. It's fine. Like I just showed you with the autopilot sensitivity, basically whatever kind of trader you're into just go ahead and select one, click it, and it's done. But I like what I've got with it here. I enjoy it. It's been helping me trade more profitably. Again, make sure you guys check out the Discord community and as well as the different price points and things like that. If you kind of want to give it a go, this is a great time of the year to do it with the extra savings. I think it's worth it. And then a 30-day money back guarantee. It's kind of hard to beat that. They really believe in their product and they have good customer service and support. I think it's a win-win. So if you want to get LuxAlgo yourself, make sure you click the link in the description so that you can get access to it immediately. Get that savings while you can, and as well as start enjoying your trading experience a little bit more. and become a little bit more knowledgeable, a little bit more profitable. It's definitely something you should consider. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see more videos from me. And I appreciate you guys as always. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you to check out my next video. Be Alpha.